Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that help you feel confident and radiant in your skin. If you're someone who swims regularly or has a tendency to accumulate product buildup in your hair, you might be wondering, is there a shampoo that can clean my hair thoroughly without stripping it? Let's talk about Paul Mitchell's Shampoo 3, the clarifying shampoo that promises to rid your hair of chlorine and impurities, while still keeping it fresh and manageable. Paul Mitchell Shampoo 3 is a liquid clarifying shampoo designed for all hair types. Its primary claim is to cleanse impurities, remove chlorine, and leave the hair feeling refreshed, making it ideal for swimmers or anyone who regularly uses products that can build up in their hair. The vibrant, zesty pink grapefruit scent is a nice touch, invigorating and refreshing right from the start. Looking at the formulation, this shampoo uses a blend of surfactants to remove chlorine, minerals, and product buildup. It works by gently yet effectively cleansing the hair without causing excessive dryness. While it's meant to be used by swimmers to remove chlorine, it also addresses impurities in general, whether you're dealing with pollution, hair products, or just the daily grime your hair accumulates. Now, let's talk about real-life usage. I've incorporated this shampoo into my routine, and here's what I found. The texture is smooth and easy to lather, creating a nice foam that works its way through your hair quickly. The scent is not overpowering, but it does leave a fresh, zesty note lingering. After the first wash, my hair felt thoroughly cleansed, but it didn't feel stripped, something I always look for in a clarifying shampoo. In terms of performance, it does exactly what it claims. If you swim regularly, you'll appreciate how it removes chlorine without leaving a heavy residue. It's also been a great addition when I've noticed product buildup, especially from leave-in conditioners or styling gels. It's gentle enough for weekly use, but if you have color-treated hair, I'd suggest using it sparingly, as clarifying shampoos can sometimes fade color more quickly. When it comes to pros, I love the way it cleanses deeply without drying out my hair. The fragrance is fresh and invigorating, but not overpowering. It's perfect for swimmers or anyone who needs a deeper clean every once in a while. However, on the flip side, if you have sensitive scalp or very dry hair, you may find this a bit too strong for frequent use. I would recommend using it once a week or when needed to avoid any potential dryness. In terms of value for money, this shampoo offers a good balance between performance and price. For a quality clarifying shampoo from a trusted brand like Paul Mitchell, the price is reasonable. It delivers results without needing to invest in multiple products. There are, of course, alternatives out there. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, brands like Neutrogena or Pantene also offer clarifying shampoos that can get the job done. Although I would say Paul Mitchell's version is a step up in terms of ingredient quality and scent. The build quality of the bottle is sturdy, and the cap dispenses the right amount of product. No wastage here. The product is formulated to last, and you'll find that a little goes a long way, which is always a good sign in a clarifying shampoo. As for customer support, Paul Mitchell is well known for its customer service, and many people praise their responsiveness. I haven't had to personally reach out, but the brand's reputation is solid. Final thoughts? If you swim often or use heavy styling products, Paul Mitchell Shampoo 3 is an excellent choice to keep your hair clean and free of buildup. It's gentle enough for regular use, but powerful enough to tackle stubborn impurities like chlorine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.